Longer with the Fitzness Show, hosted by fitness expert, author, and TV personality Fitz Kohler. She'll tell you why diets are dumb, supplements are snake oil, and the truth about how you can earn a lean, hard, pain-free, and athletic body. Now for our favorite bossy blonde, Fitz Kohler.
It's a little poke in the chest. Hi, team. I'm Fitz Kohler, your super bossy fitness pro from fitzness.com, and welcome to the Fitzness Show. Today, I want you to snap out of it. That's right. I'm giving you a little poke in the chest, and I want you to snap the heck out of it. So I ran into a friend of mine, a wonderful, smart, interesting, lovely lady at the gym a few days ago. We're going to call her Sally because I don't want to out her. Sally's a grown-up. She's in the grown-up category, and we were talking about fitness, and I said, "Oh, how often are you here?" And she goes, "Well, I only come once a week." And I said, "How come?" She goes, "Well, I used to come 4 days a week, but then COVID." And I said, "Okay." She's like, "Well, you know." And folks, snap out of it. COVID is 4 or 5 years ago. There's the flu, there's respiratory bugs, there's all these things. You cannot keep hiding. You cannot keep delaying your life. You cannot continue harming your life, doing damage to your body by missing out on the gym because you're afraid of catching a cold. I know, and some of you are like, "Screw you, Fitz Kohler, I'm so angry at you. COVID's the most serious thing that's ever happened in anybody's world, ever." Yeah, no, it's not. It's not. And I mean, I'm not going to dismiss any of it. What I'm telling you right now is that enough. It's time to get your life back together, okay? If this beautiful woman who I love has been missing out on 3 workouts a week, which means her bones are weaker. Her power is diminished. She has less capability to lift, push, pull, press against resistance. Her heart is less strong. Her balance may waver. All of these things are important. This is what the gym is for, right? You go exercise to do your body better. She was hiding from the gym because she was afraid to get sick. What? In order to prevent your health, you're avoiding exercise? Insanity. So stop with it all. If you've been hiding out at your house, still not going anywhere because you were afraid of catching a cold or a virus or whatever you want to call it, enough. You need to be on a mission to make your body strong, to make your body powerful, to make your body resilient. And this should have been the message from the start. You know, if our administration and all over the world really cared about our health, they would have said, "Hey, bozos, stop hiding inside your house. Get out and go exercise. If you want to be strong, if you want to have a powerful immune system, get out and go exercise." Oh, also, instead of calling in fast food because you're too afraid to go to the restaurant, go to the farmer's market, go to the grocery store, gather some fruits, some berries, some vegetables, go gather some whole grains, some seeds, some immune system boosting foods. Instead, they're just like, hide out, order DoorDash. It's okay. All of that is garbage. It was garbage then. It pissed me off. I tell you what, the little cancer patient not hiding out, really angry that all the other people were hiding out because of this and being ill-informed. And I'm so sorry they lied to you. I'm so sorry if somebody scared the bejesus out of you and you have not been exercising because you're afraid to go get other people's germs. The world is full of germs. Remember our kids used to say, "Go eat dirt," right? My mom called me the dirty Irish kid. I was always filthy and always touching people. I'm still touching people. I have a strong immune system because I touch people and I eat lots of produce, right? So if you care about your health, stop operating out of fear. Get rid of the fear, put it away. It makes me so sad that Sally has missed out on hundreds of workouts right now because she's afraid of COVID. Are you kidding? She's protected herself from COVID. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe she's already had it 6 times. Who knows? But now does she have osteoporosis? Does she have high blood pressure? Does she have heart disease? Is there diabetes looming? I mean, there's all these things that could be looming in Sally and you if you're still hiding out. Now, I have fair amount of confidence that my listeners are not hiding out. But if you are, please stop. Please stop. If you care about your health, if you care about resilience, if you want to live long and you want to live well, you have to start moving out into society. Go to the gym. That's what gyms are for health specifically. Don't lick the doorknobs, okay? Don't lick the doorknobs. Don't lick the stairwell. Don't do it. If you're really worried about getting sick, don't lick things. Fine. Don't make out with strangers. Okay, I'm fine with that. But if you're just traveling around in a regular space, you should be okay if you wash your hands often. You know what? I touch freaking everybody at the finish line of my races and the start line. I'll touch. And what I do Or what I don't do is ever, ever, ever touch my face during a race. When I'm out there, you will never once see me scratch my nose, touch my eyes, touch my mouth. I may do one of these. I may grab a napkin or something, wipe my face, but I never touch my face because that is taking germs and putting them into your orifices. Don't do that. I also keep magic soap with me. I scrub my hands on the regular. I go to Bath and Body Works and I get some really fun smelling antibacterial gels and then I wash. I still don't touch my face, but I protect myself from germs that way. The thing I do not do is hide out. Okay, so it's the body we've talked about. The other thing is your mind needs a fitness center or a sporting event or a social event. And so if you're still hiding out, you're causing depression, you're causing anxiety, you're making everything inside your head worse. So you should get out and go do things for your mental health as well. And then also, what good is life if you're just going to hide out all the time? I talk to cancer patients a lot, but I could have been killed by my cancer. We know that. And most cancer patients face that potential doom, right? And so I was not willing to give up any days of my life that was left. I knew that if I only had 4 months left, I was going to make the best of those 4 months. Imagine if someone put an expiration date on your foot and said, you know what, you will die in 3 months. Are you just going to hide out at home and just worry? Or are you going to go out and have as much fun as humanly possible? And that's what I want you to do. So health comes from exercise. Health comes from nutrition. Health comes from quality sleep. Health comes from stress management, things that you do for your mindset. Health does not come hiding out inside your home, avoiding healthy activities and social situations. So snap out of it. Snap out of it. You can and should do better. I love you so much. That's why I poke you. I know this one's a really hard poke in some of your chest, and some of you are sitting back laughing, saying, I know, Fitz, it's been crazy. But I do this. I say this stuff because I adore you and you deserve better. So if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe so you get more pokes in the chest, more updates from the Fitzness Show. And if you haven't done so already, order You Supercharge, the exact formula for fitness, weight loss, and longevity. It is on sale now at fitzness.com. You can get free shipping from my site. I sign all the books. You get your little Fitzy sticker and a little bit more. So yeah, thanks for listening. Get to work. Bye.
Hi, this is Rudy Novotny, the voice of America's Marathons. We all love how much running has benefited every aspect of our lives, so much so that most of us only wish we'd started sooner. Wouldn't it be wonderful to gift the opportunity to children of today? Well, you can. The Morning Mile is a before-school walking and running program that gives children a chance to start each day in an active way while enjoying fun, music, and friends. That's every child, every day. It's also supported by a wonderful system of rewards, which keeps students highly motivated and frequently congratulated. Created by our favorite fitness expert, Fitz Kohler, Morning Milers across the country have run over 2 million miles and are having greater success with academics, behavior, and sports because of it. The Morning Mile is free to the child, free to the school, and is inexpensively funded by businesses or generous individuals. Help more kids get moving in the morning by visiting morningmile.com. Champion the program at your favorite school or find out more about sponsorship opportunities. That's morningmile.com. Long may you run.